Good evening, YouTube. Today I'm going to be reviewing the JG Full Metal Hi-CAPA. Or reviewing, or mostly unboxing. Let me get this here. Now this guy was around 12 bucks, originally 15 bucks on e-Vike. They had a sale for 12 bucks. There you go, the gun. Shoots around 300 FPS. It's pretty consistent. We have, let me put this down here. We got full metal, if you can see this here. Yeah, full metal here. All the way up, all this is part metal up here. All metal. This part here where you can put on like laser sights and stuff, that's metal. This down here is all plastic. The trigger it's plastic, but I was hoping it would be metal. The backing here is all metal, even this part, which is very nice. And this seems to be some kind of silver metal or something. So let's see here. It comes with a pack of BBs. Many Airsoft people say do not use the default BBs. I used it and it was okay. This is the most accurate gun I've ever bought, and that is spring. Just pull it back and it shoots. So let's try this here. Set this on the truck here. Okay. Open this up here. Kind of a windy day here, so I'm not going to be doing test firing today. Way too windy. So let's open the stock here. This is all silver. This is actually pretty, it's plastic here. You can see that. It's actually pretty hard plastic, and I'll give it that. It's not cheap. Or it doesn't feel like it's going to break. We'll just load the BBs in here. Okay, I'm just going to do 4 or 5 BBs. Load it up. Pull back. Which is very nice, because everything that is metal here, when you pull it back, it's not going to break that easy. Most accurate gun for a spring pistol I've ever shot. And unfortunately there is no safety mechanism on this gun. Best thing you could probably do is just take out the mag, but there is no safety on it, because we can see here this would be the safety or something, or the slide lock, but I don't see any safety button on this, not even here. Good thing though is, since it's all metal, I love it that JG they actually put this the screws here, if you can see that, so you can unscrew it and find out the problem if it breaks. I haven't had it break yet. Had it for about 3 weeks. Now the funny thing is, on the front of the cover here, the box, it doesn't say JG. Age is 18 and up. Here's the back of the gun, or back of the box. In China. Nothing special, the box look. But yeah, that is the... Oh, and these are metal too. And it's quite heavy for a pistol. Have that kind of a shine there. yeah, that's a review on the Hi-CAPA from JG on e-bike. Okay. See you next time.